column wraps, cutting the universal corner in half and sizing the column base properly is a fast way to construct a column. This video demonstrates the ease of constructing a small column. Larger ones can be built using a combination of universal and flat panels. The universal corners are cut in half with a diamond blade equipped saw, then trimmed to size for the column. Capstones are cut in a similar manner. A level starter receives the first row, and working around the column, start with the factory edge, leaving enough overlap to cover the cut end of the corner. The second row reverses the overlap using the other half of the universal corner that were just cut for the preceding row. This minimizes waste, and a column can easily be wrapped in stone. Prior to installing the capstone, a flashing or flashing tape is used to protect the structure below. Always keep in mind water management when working on exterior structures. When all four sides of the column have been properly flashed, then the capstones can be cut and installed. There are a variety of ways to install the capstone. It can be set into the finishing adhesive, or in this case, the carpenters have decided to snip the nailing pin, bend them over, and attach them to the surface that they've just waterproofed. This will hold the capstones in place. Alternatives are to set it in the finishing adhesive. You can even drill a fastening hole through the face of the stone, install a fastener, and then seal it with finishing adhesive. When all of this is complete, the mitered corners are grouted with a finishing adhesive.